Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential accessory for photography enthusiasts, especially those using the Tamron 18-400mm lens. We discovered the new 72mm lens hood that's compatible with the Tamron 18-400mm f/3.5-6.3D II VC HLD B028, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this lens hood? Essentially, it's a protective accessory that you attach to the front of your lens. Its primary function is to block unwanted stray light from entering the lens, which helps to reduce glare and lens flare. This is crucial for achieving those crisp, vibrant images that every photographer strives for. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this lens hood. Firstly, it's specifically designed for the Tamron 18-400mm lens, ensuring a perfect fit. This compatibility means you can slide it on easily without worrying about it being too loose or too tight. However, a key point to note is that there are no installation instructions included, so it's recommended that you have some professional skills in installing or repairing camera accessories. If you're not familiar with how to attach a lens hood, it might be worth watching some tutorials or consulting with someone who is experienced. The package includes just the lens hood itself, which is a great replacement for your original one if you've lost or damaged it. Made as a copy part, it's in new condition and designed to meet the same standards as the original accessory. This makes it not only an economical choice but also a reliable one for photographers who want to protect their investment. So, who is this lens hood suitable for? It's perfect for both amateur and professional photographers who own the Tamron 18-400mm lens. Whether you're shooting landscapes, wildlife, or portraits, having a lens hood can significantly enhance your photography experience. It's especially useful in bright sunlight or when shooting toward